Hi, today I'm making something really light and refreshing. It is cucumber pineapple berry water. This takes about 5 to 8 minutes to make. Very simple and very refreshing. So we're going to begin with one whole cucumber, and cucumber helps with your digestion. And so you can drink the water and then eat the cucumber right out of the water. I recommend that you use bottled water, about 2 quarts. I've placed it in a hollow vase that I use, and I've added my cucumber to the water. And then next, we're going to cut pineapple. Now, we're going to leave the skin on because pineapple peel has antioxidants in it. And so it actually fights inflammation. So that the peel I'm not taking off. And so you got to be careful if you're chewing this pineapple. But it does, it's great for inflammation. So now you have the cucumber and the pineapple. And then the last thing we're going to add are blueberries, because blueberries, they reduce your risk of chronic illness. And so blueberries are considered sort of a superfood. And so you're going to just combine the water, the fruit, and the cucumber. And then there you have it. It is just your cucumber pineapple berry water.